Imagine yourself a bird. I don't know how well you see it through my camera, but probably you can catch it. What? Look here. Something interesting. This is very bright blue berries. So this is wonderful plant which belongs to genus Lasianthus. And as many plants in a Japanese and a general Asian forest, this is forest on Amami Island, these berries in December are extremely bright blue. And I believe this is adaptation to be visible under the cover of large trees. So subtropical forests are typically dense, and under the cover of evergreen forest, even in December, you don't have an option for your berries to be catched by birds. So this is how berries change a color to that almost metallic one, and that color, I think, allows it to be distributed. Lasianthus is also interesting because it belongs to coffee family. So this is a relative to coffee, but difference is obvious. Coffee is a plant of open ground and may be related. Coffee has red berries. Similarity to coffee is especially visible when plant, this one of different species of Lasianthus, is flowering. However, Lasianthus is typical plant of the shade, and I think this is possible reason to have that very bright metallic blue berries. Thank you very much.